Hey everyone, welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. My name is Diana, and in this video we are making sweet potato cornbread. To make this, get a large mixing bowl and add flour, yellow cornmeal, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon, and a little bit of ground nutmeg. Then just whisk those together until your dry ingredients are well combined. And set that to the side and get your cooked sweet potato. I baked my sweet potatoes because I like the flavor that way better, but you could actually microwave these or boil these if you prefer to do it that way. Mash them up so you can measure them out, put them in a large bowl, and use an electric hand mixer or stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment. This step is optional, but I like to mix the sweet potatoes by themselves first to kind of remove some of those strings. All I'm doing is turning the mixer on medium speed, letting it go for about 30 seconds. And you can see that my whisk has picked up some of the strings from the sweet potato. There's also some good sweet potato in there, so I'm just taking a spoon and kind of knocking out the good part as much as I can. And then all I'm going to do is rinse off the strings from the whisk. I actually took off a little bit more of the good potato before I rinsed it off. But I'm rinsing off those strings so that they don't get into my actual cornbread. Then I'm going to put my whisk back on there, add the rest of my ingredients, which are brown sugar, granulated sugar, eggs, vegetable oil, melted butter. Make sure that you let it cool down a little so it won't cook your egg, honey, vanilla extract, and milk. Then I'm going to mix those together. I start off on low speed so that it won't splash out, but then gradually bring it up to medium speed and let that go for about 1 minute until it's well combined. You'll see that you probably caught some more strings from the sweet potato. Just make sure you discard those as well. Don't let them get back into your batter. Now I'm going to take the wet ingredients and pour them right into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Make sure to get all of that goodness in there. Then gently combine this with a whisk or a spoon, just until you don't see any more patches of dry ingredients. There will still be some small lumps in the batter. But it's pretty thick once it's combined. Now I'm spraying my baking dish. This is a 9x9 dish. I'm spraying it with some non-stick cooking spray. And I'm just going to pour all of my batter right into the pan. Spread it out evenly so that it can cook evenly. And then just gently tap the bottom of the pan on your counter a couple times. This helps get out any air bubbles that may be trapped in there. Just cleaning up my pan, and then I'm going to stick this in my oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to bake it for 35 to 45 minutes just until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. As soon as you see that, remove it and let your cornbread cool in the pan until it's not hot. It can still be a little warm, but don't cut it while it's hot or it will crumble. Once it's cooled down, I go ahead and cut it up into 12 slices or however many you want. Run your knife around the edges just to make sure it doesn't stick in the pan. And there you go, it's all done. It's super moist. I like to serve each individual piece with a little bit of butter on top and a drizzle of honey. It's almost like eating dessert. If you are interested in making this recipe, you can find all the details in the description box below. I hope you really enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.